The crazy thing about modern day business is it's out of touch with the natural world. And not only does that mean that people in business don't always think about the ecological and sustainable impacts of the actions they're taking, but at a real level, it allows so many people to forget how long things actually take. Very few things in nature double their profits year after year after year. An apple tree might have a really big year with flush apples, and then the next year, not so much. Or if it has many, many years where it's not pruned and not fertilized and not taken care of, the next few years are not going to have as robust of a harvest. Inputs and the outputs all rely on factors of how the tree is cared for. If you develop your business and care for your business like it's a tree, like it's a natural living thing, you will naturally set up systems that allow it to grow in a harmonious way that is more in balance. And if you're not in business and you're still listening, try this in your life. Recognize that in your life there are seasons, there needs to be input. There's got to be things going in to fertilize the apple tree, which is your life, so that you can have the outcome of apples, of the fruits of your labor.